Okay, today I got the Palisade rubbing noise. The first thing you want to do is we got to take this side panel off. It's rubber. Just going to pull out. We're going to get like a panel puller or something. Out of there. See, we got a screw here and a screw here, so we got to take this panel off. Up here. Should be able to take this whole panel off. See, here's my cut from the last video. It's only been only happened yesterday. We got this connect here, and down here we still have the diagnostic port. This one, we got to remove, we got to get up here, so we got to remove this airbag. So I disconnected the battery under the hood for a mess with the airbag. If this goes off in your face, I mean, it's not likely, but it would hurt. And we're gonna disconnect that, push this little thing up and slide it over. So this one looks like it's actually easier than the Kona. So this is what we're after, is this here. So we got a 16 and then our Allen key for here. Cover there on it. Okay. This metal here is very sharp, so you want to be careful. Not much much room to get like the Allen key spinning properly. If I had a better set, would have an end that's more suited for this. But I am kind of cheap with my tools. They seem to work. The spring. A little peg thing. Cover, set that down, and this is the bearing. So I'm going to get my bearing puller to pop that out. Down there. There we go. Now we'll get the new bearing. New bearing, and use the grease that was on there. Spread that around on the new one. Now this deckly is used with another thing to screw it in there, and then you keep screwing this till it's on. But if you get too far, you can break the column. It's actually faster and easier. You just line it up and tap it on. So we get the little middle part sticking out a little bit. So I feel it sticking just a little bit. Put this cover back on. This isn't the same kit as the other one. It should be the same kit as the Kona, but it doesn't have all the parts. Stuff back in. Spring. This one's kind of hard to start. There we go. So let's cover here. Hands are a little greasy, it's all slippery. airbag back on there. This one a lot faster and easier than the Kona. Cover it here. We're going to plug our things back into. And one plug for this stuff here. Let me get this. Right down here we have this. It's got to go behind the panel. Screw over here. Two screws on the side. Cover panel.
Hey Ryan,
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that Ryan is now going to be in our department helping us out.
Who?
Ryan? Oh. He's going to be helping on cars, parking, staging, kind of do like what I've been doing.
Okay.
So, if you see him, you got you need stuff for that. Car needs washing. Just grab him if you see him walking around here. So,
Okay.
he can help you out.
Get all those panels on over here. So everything's back together. Panels on, sport car. So let's find out if that noise is gone. Let's try it now. There we go. The noise is mostly gone. So usually before. After. So be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.